I-Kaizer Chiefs ngiyibonele midfield idlala. Athi ngikhulume nge-team yonke. And i-team without midfield engine, there's no team. So ngimbonile ucele nomthetho. And I saw even they renew Mthethwa's contract. So ezinye izinto ziyathusa. Even Cele, I know ukuthi some guys even in the studio they rate him. When I watch him mina, indaba ngibukele na last season. Yabo. So ukuthi azabe engine eChiefs. Mela sipane nange character man. He must be strong i-character yakhe lo mthetho, even psychological. You can see technically is so good, but the talent only alikho enough sometimes modlala. He must have a strong character Cele. He must be kuzomela avele like ngimbonile kule game. I saw, I watch and ngiqala give me there was nothing new. So i-Chiefs they just begin number nje middle, but they never dominated that game. Ngikhuluma ngase midfield. I saw passing backwards sideways, yeah, that's all. And not even joining having shot on target ngikhuluma noma ngabe off target outside the box, nothing from Cele, because there was no combination kule game between him and Mthethwa. Ubadlalisa kanjani? The other one is more of a center back. Ngikhuluma ngaye Mthethwa. He can't even call for the ball. He can't. Akanalo confident. You understand? He was not even playing regularly even with Chiefs last year. Yes, he plays best football with Stellenbosch. Yeah. But Chiefs never show up. I mean, I'm being Spanish as a center back, kutang mele nje lapha, and not even starting the ball ngaye. Just go and man mark. That's all.
All right.